Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Roblox application is not launching on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. First is try restarting your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So try restarting your Windows first because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows, including all the programs on your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, you need to launch the Roblox player application and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. And if it worked for you, then good. But if not, simply move to the next methods. In the Windows search bar, bring up and open any of your favorite browser. We're going to check the Roblox status. Now here in the search bar, type status.roblox.com. Hit enter. So here we can find the Roblox status and it states that all systems operational. Well, it is a very good thing, but if in your case that it doesn't state right here that all systems operational, then you need to simply wait for that and simply go back to the same website status.roblox.com and check it from here. And if it states like this, then good, there's nothing wrong with the Roblox server status. Now locate your Roblox player on the desktop icon. Then what you can do, simply make a right click on it and then select run as administrator. Try running the application as an administrator because most of the time this will work, and let's see if it will launch the application. So as you can see, this has launched the application, and here you just need to simply click on sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account yet, then you just have to simply click on create account and enter your credentials right here. So that's it. Now for the next method is we can also temporarily disable the antivirus. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like the McAfee, the Avast, or the Malwarebytes, then we can temporarily disable that. Click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. Now here you'll find Malwarebytes. Make a right click, select quit Malwarebytes, then click on the Windows security icon. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down and you'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings and turn off the real-time protection. Now once you turned off the real-time protection, you need to launch the Roblox player, and if it is launching this time, just simply enable the real-time protection again. Then we also need to make sure that there are no proxy enabled on our Windows. So simply type in the Windows search bar proxy settings. Click on it under the best match. Then here you'll find automatic proxy setup, automatically detect settings. Make sure the button is switched on. Manual proxy setup, use a proxy server. If this button right here is toggled on, then just simply turn it off and click on save. Then we also need to make sure this for the LAN. So in the Windows search bar, type Internet Options. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the Internet Properties, we need to look for the Connections tab. Then here you'll find the Local Area Network LAN Settings. Click on it. Make sure automatically detect settings, the button is checked. Proxy server, if this is checked in your case, then just simply uncheck this. Click on OK and click on OK again. Then you also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is not outdated. So right click at the start button, then here you have to select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now simply make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this windows. And also don't forget to update your Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then simply click this button right here. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. And once done, close this and just simply restart your Windows. And after that, launch the game. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Then here, simply look for Roblox. Now, once you find that, click on the three dots, select Uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Now, once you have uninstalled the application, then we need to reinstall it again. So, we need to bring up and open any of our favorite browser or any browser that you are using on your Windows. Then simply type here, Roblox download. Hit enter. Scroll down and you'll find the official website of Roblox from www.roblox.com. Click on download Roblox. Click on download Windows app. The installer file will be downloaded. Click on it and close the Edge browser. And this will reinstall Roblox, so let's just wait for it. And now this is starting the application and the Roblox application has been launched. So here, just simply click on sign in with your account. Then you have to enjoy the game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.